Hi, in this video really quickly I would like to talk about how we change the properties of a selection. So if we're selecting this text right here, how do we change that property? So what we do is we use the pseudo selector and we say selection. So we use these two colons here and we say selection, and then anything we put in here is going to change the behavior of this when it's selected, right? So if we say color blue, then when this is selected, the text will actually be blue. Let me increase the size here so you can actually see what's going on a little better. Font size 50 pixels. You can actually see here only the letters that were selected are now blue. So that's kind of interesting. You can also change background color red and do things like that. If we try like that, font size, something like that, not everything's going to work. Okay, you think it's going to work, but you can certainly do some fun things with it. Also, remember here you can actually have RGB colors. You can use the RGBA function, for example. You can say 100, 5, 5, 0.5, and that'll give it the color an actual opacity, so it'll be 50% transparent, essentially. And so now you've got a transparent color, or you can have a perfectly opaque color. Do all sorts of things here.